Hi children, today we will discuss about technical terms related to a lens from the lesson Refraction of Light at Curved Surfaces. The technical terms related to a lens are optical center, principal axis, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal focus and focal length. What is optical center? The center of a lens is known as its optical center. Optical center of a lens is denoted by the letter O. Any ray of light passing through optic center, it does not get any deviation and it goes straight. What is principal axis? A line passing through the optical center of the lens and perpendicular to both the faces of the lens is known as principal axis. Next, center of curvature. A lens has two surfaces. Each surface of lens is a part of a sphere. The center of the sphere, whose part is the lens surface, is called the center of curvature of that surface of the lens. Since a lens has two spherical surfaces, so there are two centers of curvatures of a lens. The centers of curvatures of a lens are denoted by the letters C1 and C2. Next, radius of curvature. The distance between the center of curvature and curved surface of the lens is known as radius of curvature. Next, focal point or focus. It is also called as principal focus. The principal focus of a convex lens is a point on its principal axis to which light rays parallel to the principal axis converge after passing through the convex lens. The distance between focus and the optical center is called as focal length. Focal point or focus of a concave lens. The principal focus of a concave lens is a point on its principal axis from which light rays originally parallel to the principal axis appears to diverge after passing through the concave lens. The diverging point acts as a focus.